one of me is real. Can you tell the difference?
We have passed beyond the stage where these type of effects are not only possible in visual effects studios. You can basically make these type of technologies accessible to the general audience. So creating awareness is important. We could basically stream this video to someone and have a chat conversation where someone could believe that it is Justin.
The nightmare situation is a video of Trump saying, "I've launched nuclear weapons against North Korea," and before anybody figures out that it's fake, we're off to the races with a global nuclear meltdown.